Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, I'm Lulu, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my uni bag. So if you like what you're hearing and you're interested, because I'm about to put you guys on to some very important things that you do need in your bag, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment on anything that you think I may have missed out in this video, well, in the bag, and put us on. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here we have the beauty. Okay, this is so heavy fam. Like, I think I'm carrying, I would say like a good 8 kilos. That's not even that much fam. Like, I lift more than that in the gym. Oh, I'm still a girl. Anyways, we got this little cute pom-pom going on. Hold on, that was a workout in itself. And I've been to the gym this week, but yep, hydrate, even though that's not water fam, but hydrate man, hydrate. On the straps we have this cute flower clip from Shein, the bags from Shein, the purses, the little bags, every little bag thing inside the bag is also from Shein. The accessories are also from Shein. Okay, I'll try and link them in the description box down below. Moving on, I just want to speak about the bag. I will link the stuff in the description box, but I'm going to keep it a buck. Okay, the bag, I wouldn't buy this again because I'll show you. One second. One may say, oh Lulu, you're holding a lot of things in your bag, the bag is bound to wear out. But I've not had this bag for more than that's a tricky one. I've not had it for more than 6 months, I would say, and it's wearing out to this extent. And I've had some Primark bags that have held on very well, but I guess they weren't a specific bag like this. So this can be worn as a tote bag as well. Like, it's like the tote bag Marc Jacobs dupe type thing. When you wear it as a tote with all the things that I'm packing on, this is not as durable, and I feel like there's some bags that can handle it, like the actual tote bag. I would personally not recommend this bag because sometimes you want to hold it over your shoulder and you can't put this over your shoulder. Like, I mean, you can, but it's just gonna be very uncomfortable. This little strap situation ain't gonna cut it. So the way I normally hold this bag is like this. Like, I hold it like a briefcase, should I say. So starting strong, I'm a YouTuber and obviously a student. So there's a lot of tech in this bag, and we're gonna get into that first. I have my JBL. This is like the first generation headphones, I believe, like the cheapest ones, and I bought them for editing. They're not good for sound, like music. I have my, you can see the 𝙚osmo thingy. I have my gimbal. I did the unboxing of this beauty on Instagram. She is so helpful. She stabilizes my shots, montages, time lapses. She is handy. I have my cutesy charging case, and it has my, what's it called, Bluetooth mouse, magic mouse, that's what they call it from Apple, whatever. So yeah, you can technically see I don't need to open it, but it has my chargers, the laptop charger, phone charger, and my mouse. I also have this wireless power bank, and I got it from Tanzania. And what I have to say is, if you're from Tanzania, because I know I got some people from Tanzania watching this, don't you dare buy this. I mean, it's been like 2 years, so I guess, like, yes, it wears out, but from the jump it was never that good, bro. Msinunue hichi kitu kitakula hela yenu. Mimi nawaambia kama mtu ambaye amepitia magumu. Showing you guys things, and I keep on telling you I wouldn't recommend. I wouldn't recommend. No, I'm just being real with you. Like, these things, no. I am going to upgrade these things, but I'm just showing you guys what I have. Okay, clock that. Anyways, I also have this little bag that carries my little lens that does the magic. It's a wide lens, and it also has a macro. It's from Shein, does the job. However, I would get into buying moment lens because I see the point. And then also, I forgot to put this in the bag, but I do be carrying this little tripod that is very mobile and versatile. She does the job, baby. She does the job. And you might be like, you have a whole gimbal, why are you carrying that little tripod? You can't attach an additional lens to your phone whilst your phone is mounted on the gimbal will collapse. So that's why I need another tripod that can handle any lens, you know, because that gimbal is electric and yada yada, magnetic, etc. So that's why I carry another tripod to handle this baby, because the amount of times I've needed this wide lens, even though the phone comes with its own wide lens, the reason why I use that is because the phone wide lens has noise. It just looks very noisy. The thing that really helps us in uni, you feel me? Come on, pop out now. Why are you being shy? This body. Oh, she looking good. She looking shiny. She wanna pop out. You wanna pop out, friend? Okay, come on, give us your shine. No, you're looking a little bit grimy, bro. You're looking a bit. She get me right. I don't carry my tablet anymore unless I'm planning to edit throughout that day in uni. Like if I'm planning to edit, which is rare. I edit when I come back from uni because girl. Also, I rarely also take my MacBook to uni, but once I start commuting, which is going to be second year and till I finish, then I'll obviously have to carry my MacBook. But actually I rarely carry my MacBook unless I have a tutorial. I don't understand the people who actually I do. Never mind, let me not even say what I was gonna say. Now my friend, listen to me. Listen to me. If you've never been to Europe and you know you're gonna travel here or something, I have one thing to tell you, especially if you're coming to Great Britain, the UK. You see this one? This one will be your friend. I beg. If your bag does not have this, don't say I did not warn you. Msiseme sikuambia. Hujabeba mwavuli, utakuwa na kichaa. I have my cutesy umbrella, and you need one too if you're in the UK. So I have this notebook that is where I put all my notes essentially. Like when I'm in the lecture, I open this up and I put all the important, concise, you know, straight to the point notes. I got it from Asda. I have one thing that is missing in this bag, and it's a planner. I need one so bad. Do you know, so bad? So I will be getting me a planner, a very cute planner. We have my cutesy pencil case, a cutesy pencil case. Okay, yeah. I know that's right. Basic things in a pencil case that you should probably have is a sharpener, tabs, and post-it notes, colored pens, and I have found some new type of pens that I like, and they're from Shein as well, and I love what they do. I truly do. Tipex. So that's what's in my pencil case. The most important part of the video, this is the reason why you clicked on the video. Come on, if you're a girl, this is why you came. This baddie right here, she packed, she ready. So we're gonna get right into this beautiful piece of art, you feel me? I mean, just look at her. I have a brush, and this is only useful when I have my wig, you know. Hand cream from Body Care, you can get this. It doesn't really have such a strong scent, like, you know, when people put hand creams, they want the whole room to smell it. This won't give you that. She moisturizes me, but not as much, so I tend to use, come babes, where are you? Her. She's gonna get you right in winter, especially for me. I have such dry hands, fam. Like, I have such dry skin in general. Yeah, I know she's for the lips, but she be going on the hands, she be going everywhere. The elbows, the knees. Oh girl, we don't play. Just a cheap little body mist, you know, spray when you're just feeling a little bit funky, which is rare because I scrub that body well in the shower. But you know, there's nothing wrong with just kutupiemo, you feel me? Loratadine, which is like some allergy tablets, aka antihistamines. You know, sometimes, which has been happening lately, I just have some rash come out of nowhere, or things happen, babes, and she gonna get me right. Then essential, you're a lady, you need this. I mean, there's been some moments, bro, I remember like years ago I was in church and this guy was like, he sneezed or something and needed tissue, and then he was like, you got tissue? And I was like, no. And then he was like, you're a lady, you ain't got tissue. I was like, jump scare, like, y'all don't need to get on me like that. You know, I girly got a range of lip glosses in here and they're all like £1, but it is what it is. I got bare paracetamols in here because, baby, the amount of times I've been stranded and I ask someone, yo, I need some painkillers, they be like, oh sorry, I ain't got nothing. Fam, so am I just gonna die here? Like, babes, people are dirty. Stay safe. If you don't have to touch something at a shop, you know, when I was like younger, I used to touch everything, you know, like a normal kid, and my mom would be like, stop that, you don't need to touch it, leave it. Oh, now I get it. I truly do. There's some dirty people, and even if we don't have those dirty people around you, there's just so many germs. There's so many germs, and my whole degree is just microscopes, really. So I just know that there's gonna be a lot of germs. So you need her. She's only like £1 in boots. Come on. I also came to a realization that we need to have some wipes, babes, especially in this country. Like, there's not those things that you can do pss, pss, a thing next to the toilet. We don't have that in Western places, I'm sure, as far as I'm concerned. Hair ties, okay, you can put your girls on. There's always some girl that needs a hair tie out there, fam. And sometimes when the British wind is really going like gusts, like you be like, ah! That was me today. Like, I had to put on my story, like, the wind was blowing me. I felt like a leaf on the floor. Say hello, oh, who there? Okay. Then I got my little lip combo situation going on, you feel me, because why not? Then in here, you know, your girl's asthmatic, so I got my little Salamol, salbutamol, whatever you want to call it, inhaler. You don't even need to be a yapper. You just maybe eat cheese. You need to freshen up, babe. Get that breath right. I'm not a chewing gum, babes. I can't chew gum, like, it's just too much. And it's tasteless. You're just there like, I'm sorry, I know everybody chews gum, so I'm gonna get cancelled, but I'm such a controversial being, man, so just allow it. Then I got my little lip combo situation, like, she's the one that okay, I don't know where this energy is getting, I don't know where it's coming from, but I got a panty liner in here. Then I have my little purse. I barely even carry this because I don't be having cash, because come on now, it's 2024. I forgot one other thing. I walk around with my ID because as I've gotten older, you need your ID in several areas. Like, you just walk in anywhere and they're like, ID. Imagine, yeah, I don't drink alcohol, but I've been to like Morrison's and I went to get an alcoholic beverage, and then she was like, you need an ID for this. I'm like, babes, it got no alcohol though. And she was like, you need an ID. If you work at Morrison's or something and you understand why, please let me know, because I don't get it. Like, it's basically juice. That is my what's in my bag. I feel like I've accomplished something. I've tried to record this video. This is my 5th time trying to record this video over the span of like a month or 2 actually, and praise be to God, we're here. Okay, the video is done. Thank you, Jesus. That's all I have to say. But yeah, I'm just very happy I made it. And if you really enjoyed this video, found something helpful, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, because that will just really motivate me to carry on going, you feel. And if we don't meet again before the new year, Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year, and I hope you guys just enjoy the holidays and remember that you are loved and Jesus loves you more than anyone else. Love you.
Tudo que restou dessa fantasia foi sentimento